Alrighty guys, real quick, y'all see my current situation. That's right guys, doing that engine job that I just did in that Jeep, I found out that there are some tools I do not have, at least I cannot find. Okay, I'm not the one to borrow tools a lot, so I'm gonna go in here. Y'all see where I'm at? Not Harbor Freight, guys. This is Northern's pretty good, so I'm gonna go in here and get the tools that I had to borrow. Man, let's get it. All right guys, I'm in here. These mounting wrenches on, these clutch. All right, clutch and mounting pretty much the same. They all lifetime warranty, but I can't find my 27 that I needed to use on the harmonic balancer on that Grand Cherokee. So I'm gonna get one of these and a long one, a deep well. All right, I forgot guys, this is a short video. Y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna start another video. We're gonna do a long video. All right, guys. So check this out. Like I say, we're in Northern. They got some kind of sale going. I'm gonna have to get all the little. I should have done an inventory to see what I don't have or what I can't find anymore. Guys, tools just, I ain't gonna say they magically come up missing, but little stuff like sockets and stuff you should already have, and I do. For the life of me, some of my stuff I just literally cannot find. But no big deal. That's why these places are in business to counter supplying socket set. I have never needed those. Anybody ever needed those? Clutch. Anybody got any experience with clutch? Good tools, bad tools? Power built, Xeon. Wow, okay. I guess to get them strip bolts off, but I'm gonna get like I say, I couldn't find a deep well 27. 27 is the size of the harmonic balancer. From time to time, you gotta get that out. I really want the stubby so I can stick my stubby impact on it and zip it off of there, man. Yeah, see, that's why I hate coming to these little places. Even though, now, clutch, let me show y'all something. Because obviously Northern is the clutch place, right? Let me show y'all something. Where's that magic word I'm looking for? Man, we talk about this all the time, guys. If you see this word, there's obviously a chance right here. There's obviously a chance that the company puts some quality into building the tools. All right, reason I say that is nobody wants you to keep bringing your broken tools back. Okay, that eats away at the profit, right? So in order to offer lifetime warranty, in order to offer such a warranty, you're gonna put some quality behind it. At least I would. Like I say, man, I mean, technicians, mechanics, they quick to bring their stuff back, man. When you ask Harbor Freight gets stuff back all the time. And guys, let me put this disclaimer out there, all right? Because people always think I got a problem with the freaking tool truck. No. I do not have a problem with the tool truck. Oh my goodness, I had the hardest time, guys, getting that oil pan off. You ever deal oil pan where it's sealed by RTV and you just not punching a hole, but you're trying to break the seal? I need something like this. What do they call this, Mason? I need something 30. Good God almighty. Wait a minute. Okay. See, something, I bet there's a tool for that. To break the seal, it's got to be something wide and flat like a screwdriver. Because normally we'll tap a screwdriver in it and just tap all the way around it. Try to get it to seal to break. But I had the hardest time getting that freaking, that pan off. And it used that real good sealer too. That high temperature, high heat resistant silicone. Clutch, baby. Right here, man. All right. Yeah, some quality. All right, let's do this, man, because I ain't gonna be here long. I think they about to close. Oh, I heard of this. I'm gonna go ahead and oh yeah, I saw CP the 2 Addict highlight one of these one time on this video. Y'all go check out CP the 2 Addict channel. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and break the. Yeah, y'all see that? And these clips, man, these connectors are getting freakier and freakier. Okay, I'm sorry. Oh my goodness, you gotta squeeze both ends. I didn't know. Like I said, I saw CP the 2 Addict video. He a tool guy, so y'all go check him out. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this. This ain't what I came in here. Every time I come in to these little parts stores or these little tool stores, I get all Sugarfoot. You know, I get out. Hey, so they're Milwaukee store, huh? They must got the Milwaukee contract. My next Milwaukee purchase will be the 3/8 ratchet. Okay, I got the wrong kind the last time. I got the kind that's built for speed. Damn it, I don't care. It ain't strong enough to. I mean, it's ridiculous. Okay, I got this one too. I remember I bought this, but I need to carry the 50-foot torque. Yeah, I got this, but that's too big in some of the tiny spaces. And this is worthless because it's just a regular 3/8. I need the 3/8 professional version, not the one built for speed. I got the wrong one. That damn thing won't break nothing loose. I was so pissed off. And what do you know? They don't have it. Okay, at least I don't see it. All right, let's go around on the other side, guys, because like I said, I ain't gonna be here long. I'm just messing around. Got that Jeep done today, but I hate borrowing tools. Not everybody cool in our shop, man. Look, man, your work environment, your buddies, like I spend more time with these guys than I do at home. Okay, when I'm at home, I only got like 6 more hours before it's time for bed, and then I got to do it again, be with these fellas. So gotta make the best of your time, man. Make friends with your co-workers. Oh, is this what? No, this is trim. I don't want you break that trying to use it as an oil pan, but yeah, Northern, guys. I don't know if Northern in y'all area, but yeah, they always a good go-to store. This is not a freaking diagnostic scan tube. This is merely a code reader. $44. You can't get no scan. Read, display, and clear DTCs. But look what they call it. Diagnostic scanner. Are you freaking serious? I'm gonna use that as a thumbnail. They ought to be shaming themselves. Shame on you, shame on you. We're gonna put that back. I already got one of them. Little nitpicking stuff that I like to scoop up. But yeah, guys, these days are over. Where you old heads at? Or you older heads? What y'all know about this? I know Fluffy Mexicanic probably ain't never used these. You know them young dudes, they don't know nothing about piston rings and squeezing them up and set it on what with the ring expander. No, where you close it around the piston. You know what I'm talking about? Close it around the piston, set the piston on the block. Boop, boop, to make that funky noise. Yeah, y'all youngins don't know nothing about that. Fluff dog. Alright, yeah. But this one we used to do real. I can't believe they selling this. I bet these been up here forever. Oh my goodness, how much time I'm on? I'm on coming up on 6 minutes, guys. Let me wrap this up. I don't know why they still selling this. Ain't nobody building no damn engines, man. Better not come up to me talking about, JT, can you rebuild my motor? I keep getting in trouble for using the word motor, guys. I told y'all why I use that. Alright, it's an algorithm thing. Alright. Oh, they got it over here. In fact, I'd much rather have this one than that one. That one's been open. I'm telling what. Y'all know what happened the last time we went, my buddy went to Harbor Freight and got that adapter set. Now, the box wasn't taped up. However, you can easily open the box. So, a lot of y'all called that out right off the top. Somebody used it and swapped it out with the Pittsburgh version. Well, y'all nailed that. I still don't know. Matter of fact, I'm going to ask him tomorrow. Did he take it back? Did they give him some problems? Did they give him some hell? Jump box. Everybody by now should have a freaking jump box. They are virtually essential. I mean, essential. What was we doing before the jump box? I don't know, but I can't live without them now. That's right, guys. Can't live without a freaking jump box. I don't care how. Yeah, they making them tinier and tinier. Look at this. Damn. Ooh, wait a minute. Wrong section, guys. All right, I gotta go, guys. So what I'm gonna do? I got what I need. I'm just messing around now. This video should be easy. I shouldn't have to spend a lot of time editing, so I'm just gonna push it out to YouTube. But once again, guys, I'm in Northern, all right? Not Harbor Freight, not Matco, not Snap-on, none of that. Freaking Northern. All right. I couldn't find my $14. I'm gonna have to scoop this up. I couldn't find my little bitty. Look, this one got a 10 in it too. Look, it got the sizes that matter. I'm sorry, I hate buying those That's set there always. Look at it. No, they don't. Why is 11 in here? What the hell you gonna do with 11? I need this, guys. So what I'm gonna do is freaking get it. Yeah, how about that? Got a freaking online mechanic tips business account. Charge it to the account. Alright, I'm clowning around now. Y'all got me I'm done. Let me get out of these rinky dink stores. And guys, before y'all see this? I always gotta show that. Before you criticize a professional ASE Master Tech, this ain't an ASE patch, but I am an ASE Master Tech. Well, at least I gotta go recertify. Yes, we are human and down to earth. At least some of us are. Oh, I'm gonna get the impact version. I'm glad I walked over here. Where's the 27? 27. Please have a freaking 20. Ooh, wait a minute. $34? No, never mind. Never, ever mind. Yeah, what was I saying? Guys, it's okay to use freaking, yeah, tools is tools. No, tools get the job done. Chisel set. Is this what I was talking about to get them oil pans off? No, that's just your typical. I don't want to bang on the freaking oil pan. It's aluminum. All right, I'll see what the Matco man. See. Hey, now we in business. I ain't gotta borrow your damn. I ain't gotta borrow your damn 27 millimeter, guys. Once again, man. Northern tooling equipment. All right, let me go home, man. Y'all take it easy, hold it down. See y'all tomorrow on the live stream. Let's get it. Tomorrow, we live streaming tomorrow, baby. Yeah, it went back quick because of that holiday one. Look at that, Milwaukee even selling hand tools. Go on, Milwaukee. Milwaukee want in on the action too. They tired of Lowe's and Home Depot getting all the. I hear you. Go ahead on, but I'm just not there yet. Okay. Let me get out of here, man. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. And I see y'all on the next video. You open?